a road I know I must go, even though I tell myself that road is closed. Listen, lonely seabird, you've been away for all and too long, oh, too long. I don't listen to the news no more. Like an unwound clock, you just don't seem to care. This world isn't big enough to keep me away from you, away from you. Seabird, seabird, fly home. Seabird, seabird, fly home. Like a lonely seabird, you've been away from land too long, oh, too long. Suddenly you're with me, I turn and you're not there. Like a ghost you haunt me, you find warmth in a one-night bed. Sunsets, full moons don't turn you on. Like an untied dog, you just had to run. Like a lonely seabird, you've been away from land too long, oh no, too long. Seabird, seabird, fly home. Seabird, seabird, fly home. Seabird, seabird, fly home. Seabird, seabird, fly home. Well, hi there, pluckers. I've All Fingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting golden oldie lesson for you. A real classic from about 1977, and a song called Seabird from the Alessi brothers. Okay, standard tuning, capoed at the 3rd fret. Okay, fret 3 for the capo. We're doing it in the key of E flat, which is the same key that the Alessi brothers recorded the song in originally. Okay, so then nice easy chords for this. You shouldn't have too much trouble with this one. Okay, so starting off with the intro, it's just basically C and A minor shapes. Okay, so we're starting off with a C chord, and I'm just arpeggiating a quick sort of rake strum, if you like, from 5 down to 2. Then I'm hitting the 4th string on its own. Now I'm changing to an A minor chord and doing the little rake from 5 to 2 again, and then hitting the 4th string. So it's like, okay, then we do the C one again, and then we just finish with a rake on the A minor. We don't play the 4th string second time round, so it's pause and then repeat the whole thing. Two lots of that, okay? Then we're going into verse 1. The first 2 lines of the verse are straightforward C, A minor, E minor, G, repeated for the second line, okay? So it's there's a road I know I must go, even though I tell myself that road is closed. The only problem is I can't sing it as high as they do. They sing it an octave higher than me. So, okay, it's like a there's a road I know I must go, Even though I tell myself that road is closed. I'm playing a G like that, you could play it like that, whichever G you like, okay? So that's the first two lines. Then we go, when you come out of the second line on the G, you stay on the G. So it's like, second line is like, even though I tell myself that road is closed. G, stay there. Listen lonely, F, Seabird. Now for the F, I'm playing myself, I'm playing an F with C and a bass, or what I call a four-fingered F. It's a standard F chord, but this third finger goes up to the fifth string, third fret from the capo, and your pinky goes to the third fret on the fourth string on the capo. 5 downwards in that case, so you got that. 4 downwards, that would be the one, F with C and the bass. 5 downwards. If you want, you could even play a bar chord. It's just up to you, whichever F you like, okay? So you got G, listen lonely, F, Seabird. You've been a C chord, away from land to A minor, long. Stay there, R to E minor, long, G. Okay? That's the whole verse. Now, all the verses play exactly the same with different words. There's 4 verses in the song, is it? Or 3? 3 verses, okay? They all play the same with different chords. So, let's do the intro and the first verse in one hit, okay? So, there's a road I know I must go, even though I tell myself that road is closed. Listen lonely seabird, you've been away from land too long, too long. Right, second verse. I don't listen to the news no more. Like an unwound clock, you just don't seem to care. This world isn't big enough to keep me away from you. Oh, from you. Got it? So there's your first intro and first 2 verses, okay? Then we're going into the chorus, which is, again, very straightforward. First 2 lines of the chorus are C, A minor, E minor, G, and again, C, A minor, E minor, and G. It's like, Seabird, Seabird, fly home. Repeat. Seabird, Seabird, fly home. Stay on the G, like the end of the verse. Like a lonely F, Seabird, you've been a C, away from land to A minor, long. Stay there. Oh, to E minor, long. So the chorus is 2 lines of Seabird, Seabird, fly home, and then basically it's the end of the verse again. Okay, so we'll just go through all the way now from the beginning to the end of the first chorus. Okay, I'll do it a bit slower than it is on a record. Alright, here we go. There's a road I know I must go, even though I tell myself that road is closed. Listen lonely seabird, you've been away from land too long, oh too long. Second verse. I don't want to listen to the news no more. Like an underground clock, you just don't seem to care. This world isn't big enough to keep me away from you. Seabird, seabird fly home. Steady, like a lonely F seabird, seabird home to E minor, or E minor to G. Right, there we have it. Intro, verse 1, verse 2, chorus. Now we're going into the bridge section, okay, and that goes from the G, we go to a D minor 7. That's basically that barring the first two strings, top two strings, first fret from the capo, and second finger playing the second fret on the third string, just like an F without the third finger. Open fourth string, okay, open fifth string, don't play the bottom E, okay. So it's suddenly you're E minor with me, repeat, D minor 7, so it's D minor 7 to E minor, do that 3 times, that little change, D minor, E minor, sorry, D minor 7, E minor, D minor 7, E minor, D minor 7, E minor, so it's suddenly you're with me, I turn and you're not there, like a ghost you haunt me. Now we got a little quick change here, you find warm, just a quick change from C, single stroke, C, single stroke on A minor, find C, warmth. You find warmth, okay, in a one night bed, E minor, G. Okay, and then we're off into verse 3. Okay, so it's like, suddenly you're with me, I turn and you're not there, like a ghost you haunt me, you find warmth in a one night bed, and then off into C, sunsets, full moons, don't turn you on, and into another verse, okay. Now, at the end of that bridge section where it goes, you find warmth in a one night bed, I like to do a little bit, there's a little bit of a bass bit there, which is quite prominent, and then into the C. If you don't have to do it, it's an optional. And all it is, it's an open D string, hammered into the second fret on the D string, and then pull off to the open D. And then you play the open A string, fifth string, and then you're into C, sunsets, full moons, don't turn me on. Okay, so you got that. So it's okay. So we do the bridge now, going into verse 3, which is the final verse, and then we go into the final chorus, which becomes the outro. You'll see at the end, okay, we do, when you get to Seabird, Seabird, fly home, we do that a few more times as the outro. Okay, so it's, suddenly you're with me, I turn and you're not there, like a ghost you haunt me, you find warmth in a one night bed, sunsets, full moons, don't turn you on. It's a normal verse, okay? Like an untied dog, you just had to run. Like a lonely seabird, you've been away from land too long. Oh no, too long. Of course, seabird, seabird, fly home. Seabird, seabird, fly home. Just repeat more a couple of times for the outro. Seabird, seabird, fly home. Seabird, seabird, fly home. Intro. That's how I ended it, because it fades out on the original recording, okay, it just fades away, so you've got to figure out some way of stopping it, logically, and that's what I came up with, but by all means put your own ending on, okay. So there you have it, boys and girls, my take on Seabird from the Alessi brothers from 1977. Nice and easy chords, hope you enjoyed that, bye for now.